today's tutorial we're going to be learning about Diabolo. Now this tutorial is going to be going over the basic fundamental moves that you have to learn before you get to the tricks with Diabolo. Diabolo is great because you've got endless possibilities with tricks, but you have to get the basics right first. Now when you get a new Diabolo, if you've just purchased one, the Diabolo string should be from about nose to the floor. That means if you step on the stick, it should come up to about chest to nose height. The quickest and easiest way to adjust the length is to take a little twist in the strings like that and then place the string over the top. And then you've got a really simple knot to undo. You can do it as many times as you want and it's quick to adjust. Top Diabolo tips. The first thing to learn is how to get the Diabolo spinning. Now a lot of controlling the Diabolo happens in your strong hand. So whichever hand you write with, that's the hand that's going to be doing all the work. To get the Diabolo started, you put the Diabolo on the floor and you roll it from right to left. That's if you're right-handed. And whatever you do, make sure you're rolling it the right direction. No matter how many times I say this in schools, they always roll it the wrong direction.
It drives me kinda crazy.
If you're right-handed, roll it from right to left. If you're left-handed, roll it from left to right. This tutorial assumes that you're right-handed. So if I say right hand and you're left-handed, just switch the tips around. Was that a good spin? Did that do something for the video? So just roll it along the ground, pick it up, and then tap, 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 tap. A really common confusion is that people think you're moving both hands like this. That's not the case. You just move your right hand, or your strong hand, tap it up and down like this, left hand stays still. The movement with your right hand is just up, down, up, down, up, down. Not side to side, not round in circles, just up, down, little movement, little wrist movement. Keep your hands level, and keep them straight, so you're not one hand in front of the other, not one hand behind the other. Point your toes directly towards the egg cup bit. This is the egg cup bit when I say that. Point your toes towards the egg cup bit. There should be no twists in the string. If it's got this, you know you've done something wrong. So you have to start again. If you do find yourself in a twist, all you need to do is put both sticks in one hand and spin it around until it's the right place, then you stop it. That will save you a lot of time. When you're first starting to learn Diabolo, it's worth doing the roll every time to get started. It gives you better momentum to get you started properly, and you just stand a lot more chance of doing a good run. If you find that the Diabolo starts to tip, so your strings are like this and the Diabolo starts to tip slowly, what you need to do, you need to bring your right hand back towards you. Hopefully you can see, it's tipping forwards. I need to stand facing towards it and bring my right hand back. If you go too far back, the Diabolo is going to tip towards you, and now you need to point your right hand forward. Just one hand, okay? And make sure it's that strong hand again. Now with a bit of practice, there's tons of tricks you can do with Diabolo. I'm going to show you a few tricks now, just to give you an idea and some inspiration. Maybe something to learn in the next video. If you've enjoyed this Diabolo tutorial but you haven't got a good Diabolo at home, you can get these on my website. The link is below in the description. Don't forget, subscribe, share the video, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Thanks very much for your support.